Hello, it's time for a vlog. Where are we?
We are at the Beehive Treehouse.
Ah, look at how cute this Airbnb is.
Yeah, this is the tub.
That's a cool chair. Yeah, I don't think that's a hot tub. This is so interesting. Spiral staircase.
You ready?
Whoa! Look at how cute this is. There's a nice TV. Oh, there's the bathroom with a beehive.
Look at the tile on the floor.
Oh, it's like the toilet and the shower are right next to each other.
Right here.
Okay.
Take a shower. Poop, take a shower.
Wow. Interesting. Okay. How do we... Oh, we have to lower this with a...
Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of scared too. Do you want to go up to this balcony?
Yeah, let's do that. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Tree.
Can we please have breakfast out here?
Yes. There's a slide to go down.
But we can't go down.
Apparently it's broken,
It's broken.
so needs a repair, but there's some swings.
There's a wedding venue.
This is a wedding venue, and apparently we're going to be watching a wedding tomorrow. And then there'll be a reception over there. So that's interesting. We could crash the wedding.
I was thinking we could totally crash the wedding.
What a good find, love.
Thank you. I was so excited to find it. I feel really proud.
You should be. There's a broom. Ah, that's a bit.
I love how I just love the detail and how everything's yellow.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
Let's see how we do this situation with this, how we get up to the bed.
Alright.
Clear the area.
Oh, the leather. Honk. Oh, you do that. Yeah. Careful, watch the TV.
It's like a, what do you call it? A blind.
She did it. Hi. Come on in.
Come on in.
I figured it out already.
Yay.
We just had the host come in and teach us exactly how to use this thing. It's gotta go under.
Under?
Yeah. There you go. Now it's unlocked. Now let it slowly down. There you go. You got it all the way down. There she goes.
Oh, it's so cute. He said don't hang on to these, which is kind of scary.
Yay, she
It's-
made it.
It's literally a mattress and like a tiny set of drawers.
Ooh.
Say hi.
Hi.
We got some Live, Laugh, Love pillows.
Live, laugh, love.
Good. The ceiling is literally
Right there.
right here. Right. It's far close. But there's drawers.
How the heck? Whoa. How the heck did you get that in here?
I don't know. Maybe he got it in.
Before he put the beehive stuff.
Oh, what's in here? Extra.
Pillowcases.
You know, I didn't check on the cleaning fee for this place, but I would upcharge for clean.
Yeah, because you have to get up here.
Cute.
It's just like, you're horizontal. Watch your head.
I know.
Good morning from the treehouse.
We're getting some Starbucks.
Yes. How did you sleep in the beehive?
I slept good, you know. I had to get up in the middle of the night to pee, so going down
That was
the
a little
ladder
adventure.
was an adventure. But I went right back to sleep. What about you?
It was a comfortable bed. It was cute and it was fun to wake up high.
Yeah.
I feel like a kid in a fort.
Yeah.
I love it. We're going to get Starbucks and to Publix to get water because
There's not a whole lot of water in
there's not water that I trust in this treehouse.
Yeah, to drink.
So if you're ever gonna run an Airbnb, make sure you have water, like good water.
Yeah, or like give them a heads up in the little description saying, you know,
Bring your own water.
water.
All right, let's go get some Starbucks. Look at the name of this road.
On today's episode of This Hard Starbucks Orders, my name is Steve.
Your name is Steam today.
Please refer to me accordingly as
Steam.
future Dr. Steve. That sounds like a villain.
Yeah.
Like a Marvel villain.
You didn't say in this vlog, Christine made her announcement that she's going to North Texas. Yay! Hello again, vlog. We just got to the Adventure Tower. Using a Groupon. What a cool little place.
Yeah.
We're gonna climb that. That looks like fun too. So cool!
Silhouettes in the neon lights, see my reflection in your eyes. Maybe it's love, or maybe the wait is over. Gonna dance on the floor all night, make the most of this one lifetime. It's feeling like love, all the wait is over. We don't gotta fight no more, no more. We don't gotta fight no more, no more.
Just about to go jump or be lowered by a rope. It's really high.
Oh, here she goes. You got this. She did it! Yay! Hello vlog, sorry the AC is on, but it's necessary. We are just leaving the Nona Adventure Park. We did the climbing thing, the climbing tower.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun, but a little bit scary.
Yeah.
We went all the way to the top and then we jumped off just like you saw in the clip.
What I like about it is that you can pick which one you want to go on. You can pick your levels. You can pick, you know, on the level there's lots of options. And so there were a couple that I said, I don't have the upper body strength for that. I'm not getting on that.
Yeah, I don't feel like doing that one right now.
I also got twisted at one point. My like ropes got tied. But that was not the system's fault. That was because I went the wrong way without realizing it. But the staff was really nice.
Yeah.
They helped us finish.
We have done the Orlando tree trek several times at this point. We
Orlando
love
tree
that
trek.
place. This place, I would say it's not as big. There aren't as many things to do, but it was cool in the fact that you could pick your own way to go for sure. Because at Orlando tree trek, you have to go through the whole thing. There's no going backwards. And there's no other option other than the way that you go.
Yes.
So I did like that a lot about here.
Yeah.
Thanks for the group on that. That was one of my birthday presents.
Yeah.
Hello again, vlog. We just got back to the Airbnb from all of our adventures today, and the next adventure is going to be showering in this strange shower. Do you want to give the bathroom tour?
Sure.
So the shower situation.
This is the shower.
Yep. It just goes onto the floor right next to the toilet, which that water is yellow. It's not pee. And the sink is very tiny right there.
It's very tiny.
So yeah, you're gonna shower right next to the toilet. The wedding that is next door is starting to happen. We're totally gonna watch. Hello again, vlog. We're about to check out of our treehouse. It was so much fun. I loved sleeping at the little loft up above our heads.
Yeah, it was really fun. I like the color scheme. There's just so much detail that this host put into the Airbnb. If you are in the Orlando area and you want to feel like you're on a staycation somewhere, or even if you are around the Orlando area,
If you're
check
coming
this
here
out.
and you're looking for somewhere to
It's such a
stay.
unique experience.
Yeah.
And what's nice is that it really does feel like it's in the middle of nowhere, but there's a Publix
Like
3 minutes
yeah.
away. Like, it's just really, really a special place. And the owner is really developing.
This whole area, like all of his land.
You're gonna
There
put
was a
that-
wedding here last night.
There was! We got to sneak a peek of the bride and groom, and we heard them partying while we were in our PJs watching TV.
Yeah.
It was perfect.
it was awesome. And that was actually a mix-up with booking, but he was super nice about it and gave us a bottle of champagne. So
Yeah.
it didn't bother me at all though.
Yeah. Are you gonna put his Instagram?
Yeah.
information on the
So
bottom?
we actually made a reel of this experience. Like we did a little treehouse tour. So make sure you're following me on Instagram so you see that. And here is the Instagram for the treehouse as well. So follow that if you want to see how they develop this area. Well, that's gonna be it for this vlog. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye. Nice. Live, laugh, love.